How to quickly know if someone has unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. First of all, make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat updated and installed in your phone. If you have done it so, then you can simply and normally open the Snapchat. After opening, you will now see an interface like this. So, to show you, I will go on the friends list. To go on my friends list, you can see on the downside there is a chat icon. When you tap on it, you can see your friends. So from here, if I choose any of the friend here, if I choose the person right here, and I can see it very clearly that I can see their snap score here. If they have not been my friend, then I could not see their snap score. So if I can see their snap score, that means that this person has neither removed me nor blocked me. So what if someone has removed you from your friend list? To do that, you can click on the add button friend and just tap on any friend that is not your Snapchat friend or they have removed you. So let's just click this name and you can see that I cannot see their snap score. So this is how you know the person has removed you or not. So to see if the person has removed you, go back and on the search bar, you can just search for the username of the person. Just if I search for random name, and even after searching for the total and full username, the ID of the person is not visible in my screen, then that means that person has blocked you from their Snapchat. So this is how you know. I hope you liked our video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel.